Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create color shadow in image in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see create color shadow in image. Now going to the Photoshop document. Now you can see now you going open the Photoshop. Now you going to the file one option, then click. Now firstly insert the picture. Now click open option. Now I select from find our picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open option. Now you can see open the picture. This picture is color shadow, and going to the file menu option again click. Now click from new option. Now select for OK. And picture in keyboard press Ctrl A and keyboard press Ctrl C, and then in the Ctrl V. Now you can say then I go to the layer option. Now click from blending option. Now I select from drop shadow. Now I can see then distance and select from color. Now choose color. Now click OK. Then again click OK. That is. Now you can see create color shadow in image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to